Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya al-mursaleen. Muhammadin wa ahl bayt at-tayyibin at-tahirin al-ma'sum. Sayyid al-Imam al-Muntadhar al-Hujjat al-Thani Ashar. Ruhi wa arwahul alameen li turabi maqdamihi al-fida. Amma ba'd. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Sadaqallahu al-Ali al-Azim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajam. Right, so we did lesson number 7 and we started lesson number 8 itself. And on lesson number 8, we did some of the exercises. So let me just get onto the screen. There's only a small exercise we've got to do, and then inshallah we can move on. So in this exercise here, we did this ta'ammal, where we was talking about the attached pronouns with a verb, which represents who is performing the action for the fi'il, the fa'il. So we did this. Now we are now on the next exercise. Ayyin al-fa'il fima yali. So fa'ilun, point the fa'il in the following. So I'm going to ask Sister Sister Razia, can you kindly come on the mic?
Yeah, okay.
Hello. So a point in number exercise 4 is to point where is the fa'il in the following verbs.
Oh my God. Come on, I can't come on the mic. Yeah.
Why not? Is it working?
I'm trying.
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah,
okay, can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you
yes,
hear
yeah.
me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. All right. So I start on exercise number 4.
Yep.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ayyin al-fa'ila fima yali. Point out the fa'il in the following. Kharajtu ana. Kharajtu means I left. Ana is the file. Jalasna, nahnu is the file. Sami'ati, anti is the file. Sharibtunna, antunna is the file.
Yep.
Dakhalu, hum is the file. Hafidna. Hafizna is antunna.
Correct.
Yes. Akaltum, antum.
Yep.
Fataha huwa. Fahimtunna antunna.
Correct.
Katabta anta. Ghasalat hiya. Na'ibu hum. Dakhala huwa. Darabat hiya.
Excellent.
Yeah. Some attached pronouns. Shall I continue?
Yeah, that's fine. So the attached pronouns,
yeah.
basically recognizing what are the attached pronouns with the past tense verb.
Right. من الضمائر المتصلة التاء كما في ذهبت أنت ذهبتي أنت ذهبت أنا ذهبتم أنتم ذهبتن أنتن ذهبوا هم ذهبنا ذهبنا is hunna. Is it hunna? ذهبنا.
That's correct.
Yeah, and ذهبنا nahnu.
Excellent.
Okay, that finishes. And number 5 and number 6. Aina Hamid Kharaja.
So when we say Aina Hamid and you answer Kharaja, the pronoun huwa is hidden in this word. So there's no physical pronoun which is visible with this. So Kharaja, it's huwa, meaning back to Hamid itself. Same is the case with Amina. When you say Aina Aminato and then you respond
Kharajat. Okay, so she left. Yeah.
So this da itself, which is added here, this is da to show feminine, but not a pronoun for she itself. It's alamatu ta'nith.
Yeah, so she left, yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. Right, okay, that's done.
That's finished, yeah.
Now, lesson number 9. This is a long lesson, so what I'll need to do first is to go through the points to remember. So in this lesson, we're going to focus on, so in every sentence, what do we have? We have verb.
Yes, verbs, subject, object.
Object, exactly.
Yeah.
So here, if you see this in this, innal bayta, so this is, or where's it going? So over here, innal bayta jadidun. So because of inna, al-bayta is mansub, and it is the ism of inna. Jadidun is the khabar of inna. As you know, inna, it's a particle which enters a verb, a nominal sentence. So in this nominal sentence, the word al-bayta is mansub, is getting a fatha. Okay. Now, this is now, of course, a noun. There are different situations when a noun becomes mansub. A noun becomes mansub, meaning it takes 2 harakat. Now, this is the first example. In al-bayta jadidun. Now, over here now, it says qara'tu al-kitaba. Now, I read, I am the doer. And al-kitaba here is coming mansub, and it is the object of the verb qara'tu. So these are 2 different situations where a noun is getting a fatha. Is this correct?
Yes, yeah. So
now, the next example now is that in the Arabic language, we have nouns. We have different types of nouns, as you know. We have like the broken plural, we have the sound masculine plural, and we have the sound feminine plural.
okay.
Yes. Yeah. So you have the broken plural, like sound masculine plural is the word like Muslimun.
Right. Yeah. They sound plural.
Yeah. So it ends with waw noon, and the sound feminine plural is the noun which ends with alif and ta.
Yes.
Now, whenever you have a noun which ends with alif and a ta,
yeah.
in the state of raf, it takes a dhamma tanween. For example, if I say that the Muslim ladies came, I will say ja'at, ja'at al أو جاءت مسلمات جاءت مسلمات. Yes, so it has a dhamma tanween, جاءت مسلمات, and if I was to say the Muslim ladies come, then the tanween will be removed and be one dhamma, جاءت المسلمات, جاءت المسلمات. Yes.
Okay, yes, because it's definite now.
Yes, exactly. Now, when you are now going to make the sound feminine plural, al-muslimatu or muslimatun, as the object. Normally, with a normal standard noun, it takes a fatha tanween when it becomes an object. Like, for example, qara'tu al-kitaba. Yes, qara'tu al-kitaba has a fatha. Now, the sound feminine plurals, when they become an object or when they are in the state of mansub, instead of taking a 2 fatha tanweens, they take 2 kasra tanweens. They take 2 kasra tanweens, or they take 1 kasra. 2 kasra tanweens or 1 kasra if it is going to be definite with alif lam. I'll give you an example. If you look over here, khalaqallahu. Khalaqallahu created, Allah created. What did he create? Sama'un is
earth.
Exactly. Sama'un is sky, samawat is plural. So the word samawat is getting a kasra because it's a sound feminine plural. So well, out of that is a normal noun, so gets a fatha. But a samawati is the object of khalaqa. Normally an object of a verb takes a fatha or a fatha tanween. But all sound feminine plurals follow the ruling that when it comes as an object or when it's in the state of mansub, they take either kasra tanween or a kasra. Does this make sense?
Yes, yeah. All right. So these are exceptions.
Not exception, no. this is the ruling for these nouns. Exception means that normally they do the other nouns. There are other exceptions as well. So there's a general ruling, and then you have the other bracket rulings as well for the different nouns, because there are 16 different types of nouns according to the harakat. So we've only covered a few yet. So inshallah, that's the reason why this book is moving on forward now. If you look over here now, Qara'tul Kitaba. Who read the book?
Qaratul Kitaba. Okay,
Correct.
I read.
Wasuhufa is a normal noun as well.
Yeah.
And then we have Wal Majallati.
Okay.
So here the word Wal Majallati is having alif lam, and that's the reason why it has one kasra. If alif lam wasn't there, there would be Majallatin.
Okay.
And then over here, Innal ikhwata wal akhawati fil bayti. So here, inna is coming, and as you know, whenever inna comes, the ism of inna is mansub, and that's the reason why it's al ikhwata and al akhawat is not taking a fatha, because akhawat ukhtun, akhawat is ending with alif and a ta, so it's a sound feminine plural, so it takes a kasra instead of a fatha.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a sound feminine plural. So inna al ikhwata wal akhawat fil bayti itself. Is that clear?
Yes. Yeah. So this is only in feminine.
Yes.
Not
Yeah,
only in
only the
feminine.
feminine. Right. I want you to, sister. Let me, Jazakallah. Thank you for that. Let me bring sister. Sister Gulshan. Sorry, Sister Parveen Razai. Are you there?
Assalamualaikum, Sheikh. Yes,
Alaikum
I'm
salam. Can you start reading the points to remember, please?
wise to remember. And this lesson, we learned the following. I'm in the mobile, that's why. Let's see. The nasab ending of the sound feminine plural, we have learned earlier that the normal nasab ending of the noun is a, e.g. Innal bayta jadidu. Qara'atul kitaba.
Qara'tul kitaba. Qara'tul kitaba.
Qara'atul kitaba. Now we learn.
So Qara'tul kitaba, I read the book. Innal bayta jadidan. Indeed, the house is new.
Indeed. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now we learn that the nasab ending of the noun and the sound feminine. Plural form is I instead of a e.g. Ra'aytul bana'a wal banati. I saw the sons and the daughters.
Excellent.
And the sentence both al-bana'a and al-banati are object of the verb ra'aytu. And so they are mansub. The noun al-banaha is the regular a ending, but the noun al-banati is the I ending because it is found feminine plural which end in an at.
Correct.
Here are some more examples. خلق الله السماوات والأرض. Allah created the heavens and the heart. إيه السماوات I
No, Allah خلق الله السماوات والأرض.
Okay. The second قرأت الكتاب والصحف والمجلات. I read the books, the newspaper, and the magazines.
So here, the example majallatun is singular. Majallat is an alif and ta and is getting a kasra. Correct.
Newspapers. Okay. إن الإخوات والأخوات في البيت. Indeed, the brothers and sisters are at home.
So the word akhawati is getting a kasra. which is example of mansoob, because any noun which ends with alif and ta, instead of getting a fatha or a fatha tanween, it takes a kasra or a kasra tanween. Excellent. Remember.
Remember that the nasab and jar ending are the same in the sound feminine plural from e.g. innal talibati fil hafalati.
Fil hafilati. So it's trying
Fil
to say
hafalati.
that a noun which is sound feminine plural, when it comes after a harf jar like fi, or after, or when it's coming mansoob, in both of the situations of mansoob and majroor, it takes the same harakat. It shares its harakat, meaning it takes the kasra itself or kasra tanween. So inna, as you know, any noun after inna takes a fatha, but it's taking kasra inna talibati, and normally we know after fi, the noun after fi gets a kasra, correct?
Yes.
Fil hafilati is getting a kasra. So it's showing you that the mansoob and majroor for the sound feminine plural is the same itself. It's the same harakat. Bismillah. Indeed,
Indeed,
the female student.
female students are in the buses. Here, a talibati is mansoob because of inna, and al-hafilati is majroo because of the preposition fi, but both have the I ending.
Excellent. Jazakallah. Thank you. Sister Guljan, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Can you do the next point, please? Number 2. So here,
Yes.
it's Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. So here we're showing of pronouns coming with a verb. So pronouns coming with a verb. So when you say ra'aytuka, here the ka is coming in the place of an object. So I saw who? You. Ra'aytuhu, I saw him.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have number 2. We have learned that ra'aytuka means I saw you, and ra'aytuhu means I saw him. Now we learn the use of pronouns of the first person, me, not the following. Ra'aytani, you saw me. Khalaqani Allah, Allah created me. Sa'anil mudarrisu, the teacher asked me. The pronoun of the first person is only I, but an noon is added between the verb and the pronoun. I, so that the final vowel of the verb may not be affected due to I. As we know, you saw is ra'aita for masculine and ra'aiti for feminine. If we say ra'aita e, the Arabic phonetic system requires the omission of the vowel a or e before the pronoun e. So the verb in both cases will become ra'aiti, and the difference between the masculine and feminine will be lost. That is why an noon is inserted between the verb and the pronoun I, ra'aitini. This noon is called the noon of protection. Noonul Vekayati.
Exactly. So ra'ayta ni. So the ya, if you have a ya normally, the harakat before it should be a kasra. So because of that, they put the noon al wakaya. Ra'aytani, khalaqani Allah, sa'alani al mudarrisu. So this is what is called noon al wakaya. Excellent.
Okay, can I continue or?
Yes, yeah, continue.
This noon is called the noon of protection, noonul vikayati, because it protects the final vowel of the verb from omission. Okay, number 3, how to say in Arabic, how beautiful is this car? What a beautiful car this is. This is expressed in Arabic by ma ajmala hazihi sayyarata. This is called fa'lul ta'ajjubi. That is verb of wonder and has the form ma af'alahu. One can use the pronoun who or any other pronoun in the accusative or replace it by a mansub noun. Example, ma atyabaka. How good you are. Ma afkaraha. How poor she is. Can I continue, or we are
That's
explaining?
perfect. That's perfect. Okay, so here now. So remember now, point number 3, it's now teaching you how in English, oh, such amazing person, or such a beautiful car. So in the Arabic language, you add it on this pattern of ma af'alahu. Ma af'alahu. So ma ajmala hadhihi sayyarata, or you can have a pronoun ma atyabaka, how good you are. Ma afqarahu. Ma afqaraha. Ma afqaraha. Okay, so continue, sister.
Okay. Ma aksara nujuma. How numerous the stars are. Ma ashala hazan darsa. How easy this lesson is. Number 4, we have learned in book 2 that the noun after ya takes only one dhamma. Example, ya hamidu, ya bilalu, ya ustadu, ya waladu. Now, if the noun after ya is mudaf, it is mansub. Example, ya binta bilalin, O daughter of Bilal. Ya ukta Muhammadin, O sister of Muhammad. Ya abnal akhi, O sister of my brother. Ya rabbal Ka'bati, O Lord of the Kaaba. Ya Abdallahi, O servant of Allah. Ya Abal Bakarin, O Abu Bakr. Literally, O father of Abu Bakr. Note that the mansub form of Abba is Abu. Okay. Ya Rabbana, O our Lord. Rabbana means our Lord, yes. We have learnt in book 2 that the noun after kum, how many, is singular and mansub. But if the word kum is preceded by a preposition, the noun following it may be majroor or mansub. Example, kam riyalan indaka. How many riyals have you? Bekum riyalan. Riyalin haza. How many riyal does this cost? Here both riyalin and riyalin are permissible because of the preposition be. In some of way, we can say fi kam yawman or yawmin. In how many days? Okay. Number 6. When the interrogative ma is preceded by a preposition, the alif of ma is dropped. Example, bima, be and plus ma. With what?
Okay, so there's a few things you read. Now, the word here, there's 2 things I need to clarify. One is that the word ya. So whenever ya comes, this is called munada. Munada means the thing which you've been calling. So in Du'ayat Wasl is a good example. Ya wajihatan. So we say Ya Aba Abdullah. We say Ya Qurrata Ayn Rasul.
Yeah.
We say Ya Rasul Allah. Ya Imam al-Rahma, Ya Sayyidana. So whenever a noun is mudaf ilay, it comes binta Bilalin, ukhta Muhammadin. So the first word of the mudaf, when it's coming after ya, it takes a fatha. Ya binta, ya ukhta, yabna, ya rabba, ya Abdullah, ya Aba Bakr. So the word Aba Bakr was Abu and it become Abba. So we'll do this later. But the word Ya Rabbana, you don't say Ya Rabbuna, you say Ya Rabbana. Is that clear, Sister Gulshan?
Yes, it takes
So
fatha.
so whenever a noun is mudaf ilay, it takes a fatha. And if it's one name, Ya Hamidu, Ya Bilalu, it loses the tanween. So Ya Hamidu, Ya Bilal, Ya Ustadu, Ya Waladu, because you're calling them, and that's the reason why it happens. And then point number 5. Point number 5 is that kam means how many, but here kam riyal in daka means how many riyals, and we also have become riyalan or become riyalin. So in this scenario, you could bring a harf jar before it, and you could read fi kam yawman or fi kam yawmin with a kasra. So this is permissible. And then we read bima. So whenever ma is preceded by ma is preceded by a preposition, the alif of ma is dropped. So originally was bima and it becomes bima. With what? So li and ma becomes lima. Why? Mim and min and ma becomes mimma. And anma about what becomes amma. Amma, bismillah ar-Rahman, amma yatasa
Aluna.
alun. So it's anma about what? Is this clear, everyone?
Yes.
Sister Razai, Sister Parveen Razai, and Sister Razia?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Right, sisters, point number 7, Sister Razia, go ahead.
We have learned the relative pronouns alladhi, masculine singular, and allati, feminine singular. Now we learn their plural forms. The plural of alladhi is alladina, and that of allati is allati. Here are some examples. Masculine singular, الرجل الذي خرج من مكتب المدير مدرس جديد. The man who left the headmaster's office is a new teacher. Masculine plural. Sorry. الرجال الذين خرجوا من مكتب المدير مدرسون جدد. The men who left the headmaster's office are new teachers. Feminine singular. الطالبة التي جلست أمام المدرسة بنت المديرة. The female student who sat in front of the lady teacher is the headmistress' daughter. Feminine plural. الطالبات اللاتي جلسنا أمام المدرسة بنات المديرة. The female students who sat in front of the lady teacher are the headmistress' daughters. Number 8, we have learned the particle alif a, which turns a statement into a question. If the pronoun following it has al, the alif changes to a. For example, al-mudarrisu qala laka, al-mudarrisu qala laka, and the question remains al-mudarrisu qala laka. I see. So, did the teacher tell you al-mudarrisu? Al-yawma ra'aytahu. Al-yawma ra'aytahu. Did you see him today? Al-yawma. Yeah, okay. Ahada talibu sa'alaka. Did this student ask you? Hada talibu sa'alaka. So the statement is Hada talibu sa'alaka. If you turn into a question, Ahada talibu sa'alaka. Number 9, the final ye, which is pronounced alif, is written alif when a pronoun of jar, jarra, nasb is attached to the word. For example, ma'ani, ma'ana, meaning ma'anahu. Is it ma'anan, meaning ma'anahu?
Yeah,
It's
meaning, ma'na means meaning, yeah. Or,
but
yeah, when it's with the pronoun, it becomes nahu.
But this becomes ma'anan or
Yes.
ma'ana.
Ma'nan.
Ma'anan, okay.
Yeah.
And it's ma'anahu. Kawa, he ironed. Kawahu, he ironed it. Number 10, At-tulabul jududul khamsa, the 5 new students. Here the number is used as an adjective and so it comes after the ma'adud. Here are some more examples. Al-kutubul arba'atu, the 4 books. Al-rijalul asharatu, the 10 men. As-sihahu sittatu, the 6 authentic books of hadith. Al-akhawatul khamsu, the 5 sisters. Number 11, ilal mudiri zahabtum. Here, ilal mudiri has been brought forward for the sake of emphasis. Note the following. Ra'aytu bilalan. Ra'aytu bilalan. I saw Bilal. Bilalan ra'aytu. It was Bilal that I saw. I see. And this is with emphasis. So if you say it without emphasis, it's just ra'aytu bilalan. Bilalan ra'aytu. Yeah, so it becomes a short of a question. Bilalan.
Yeah, so what's happening here? It's the object is coming before the verb. I'll give you an example. You know when we say Iyaka na'budu wa Iyaka nasta'in. So the word Iyaka is the object coming before the verb. Iyaka na'budu wa Iyaka nasta'in. It's the same thing happening here as well.
Okay. The second construction is used in case of doubt or denial. Correct. Now the new vocabulary. The list is qaima. Ilaqatun is connection. Ma'anan means meaning. Lahdatun, moment. Iddatu as'ilati, a number of questions. Ranna, it rang. Khalaqa, he created. Rafa'a, he raised. Tinun, mud. Hadara, he attended, he was present. Narun, fire. Iddatu kutubin, a number of books. Asimatun, capital city. Mukhtalitun, mixed. Kadalika, like that. Janun, jinn. Hadidun, iron. Hakada, like this, or so. Jarasun is a bell. Ahsanta or ahsanti, you have done well, well done.
Excellent, excellent.
So you all, we can say ahsantu.
Yes, ahsantu, ahsanta is singular, ahsantu is plural, correct.
Yeah.
Right. So what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to ask everyone to read this. I'm going to ask yourself, Sister Razia, I would like you to read first, and then Sister Parveen Razai, and then Sister Gulshan. So I want you to read the first 2 paragraphs.
Also, shall I translate also?
Yes, yes, of course. I want you to translate each sentence. When you say Dakhal al-Mudarris al-Fasla, that's one sentence. Translated, then move on to the next sentence.
Right.
I want you to tell me when you actually translate, once you have translated, or before you translate, tell me where is the doer and where is the object as well.
Okay. دخل المدرس الفصل. The teacher entered the class. Shall I give you now here the verb? Dakhala is the verb. Mudarrisu is the subject and fasla is the object. ووجد فيه 15 طالبا فقط. He found inside only 15 students. Wajada is verb. Fihi, in it, that's preposition with pronoun suffix. Is it fihi?
Yep. Jar majroor.
Yeah. 15 طالبا, 15 students فقط, only. فقال لهم أين الطلاب الجدد الخمسة الذين جاءوا أمس? And he said to them, where are the new students? Where are the 5 new students who came yesterday. Okay, now فقال is the verb, lahum. Lahum is
Lahum is
object.
jar and majroor. No, lahum. فقال lahum, he said to them. So jar and majroor.
Okay. أين الطلاب الجدد خمسة الذين جاءوا أمس. Where are the students? Where are the new students? So
No. Translate 5. So you always translate the adjective which is the most furthest away. Al
Where
khamsa is the
5 students? Okay.
exactly where the 5 new students. Correct.
Yeah. So the name tulab is the noun, and judud, khamsatu judud, both are adjectives.
Correct.
Alladhina ja'u amsi, who came yesterday. So ja'u is the verb, and amsi means that's yesterday is
Yep.
what? Yeah. Qala Abdullah hadaru al-yawma wa kharaju qabla qalil. Hadaru, Abdullah said, Abdullah is the subject, Qala is the verb. Hadaru al-yawma, they came today. They came today. Wa kharaju qabla qalil, and they left before just a while ago. Kharaju is the verb. They left. Qabla qalil. Qabla is it preposition?
Correct. It's qabla. It's a harf. Yes, it's not harf. It's a noun. Qabla is a noun. So whatever comes after qabla is mudaf ilayh. So qabla qalilin. It's after qabla is zarf zaman.
Yeah. Okay. أظن أنهم ذهبوا إلى المدير. I think they must have gone to the head teacher. أظن is verb. أنهم object. أظن أنهم ذهبوا verb. إلى المدير preposition حرف الجر.
Yep.
المدير object. Yes. رجع الطلاب الخمسة بعد قليل وقال لهم المدرس إلى المدير ذهبتم يا أبنائي. The 5 students came back after a while. The teacher talked to them.
No, فقال له المدرس. The teacher said to them.
Yeah, the teacher said to them, إلى المدير ذهبتم يا أبنائي. He asked them that did you go to the head? Did you all go to the head teacher? Oh my abnai, oh my sons.
Yeah.
So now raja'a is the verb. Tulab subject. Tulabul khamsa is the subject. Raja'a verb. Ba'da qalil. After harful jar ba'da qalil. فقال لهم المدرس. Verb فقال لهم المدرس. Talk to the teacher, said to them, Ila, did you go? Did you Ila ذهبت إلى المدير ذهبتم? Did you all go to the head teacher, Ya Abnai, or my sons? Ya Abnai. Okay.
Excellent.
Yeah. قالوا نعم ذهبنا إليه لأننا ما وجدنا أسماءنا في القائمة. They said, yes, we went to
the principal. إليه means to the, he is referring to the principal.
لأننا, because we did not find our names in the list.
In the register. بالقائمة means the register. Excellent. Brilliant. Thank you. Can I ask Sister Praveen Razai and then Sister Gulshan after that? Bismillah. So جلس المدرس.
جلس المدرس وقال جلس مدرس وقال said the teacher and said أقرأتم درس الأمس يا أبنائي? Did you read the yesterday lesson or أبنائي or
My sons.
my sons?
Yeah.
قال الطلاب says students نعم قرأناه وكتبناه وحفظناه.
Excellent.
Yes, we
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 read.
read,
We
we
read
read
it.
and we write and we
Memorize.
memorize.
Excellent.
قال المدرس said the teacher
The teacher said
أفهمتموه? Did you understand?
it.
قالوا نعم فهمناه جيدا. They said yes, we are understand. جيدا means
Yes, we understood it very well.
understood very well. ما أسأل هذا الدرس. It's an easy lesson. Yes.
Yeah, how easy
How
was this
say
lesson?
less?
How easy was this lesson? ما أسهل هذا
Less.
الدرس.
Okay.
How easy was this lesson? Correct. قال عبد الرحمن said
قال عبد الرحمن say عبد الرحمن أنا ما فهمت فيه 3 كلمات. I understand.
no, I did not understand. ما
I
فهمت
didn't ما فهمت. I didn't understand the three words.
Correct.
قال قال المدرس the teacher said ما هي which one?
ما هي? What are they?
What are they? قال عبد الله said قال عبد الرحمن قال قرأنا في الدرس هذه الجملة.
We read in the
We
lesson
read the lesson الجملة
this
the
sentence.
subject sentence. عاد جدي من الخرطوم. It's very hard, my God. عاد جدي.
Ada comes from the word ma'ad. Ma'ad means return. The teacher said the word ada, ada jadi, my grandfather returned from Khartoum. فما معنى هذه الكلمات الثلاث? What are the meaning of these 3 words? قال المدرس ada بمعنى
عاد
رجع.
معانا رجع.
Return.
وجد معانا أبو الباب أو أبو الأمة. The teacher said our meaning is رجع return. وجد معانا وجد meaning is أبو الباب father and
The father of the
it's a
father.
grandfather and grandmother.
Yeah,
Yes.
Abul means the grandfather, or Abul means
The
father.
grandmother.
It means as we call it Nana.
Father of mother.
Yeah, father of mother, which is Nana. And Al Khurtum means is a city here, Asimatun. It is the capital of Sudan. Afahimta.
أفهمت. Did you understand?
Correct.
قال عبد الرحمن الآن فهمت. Now I understand.
Correct.
ثم فتح المدرس كتابه وقرأ درسا جديدا. And after that, the teacher opened the book and
Read
the new lesson. خلق الله الشمس والقمر والنجوم والأرض والبحار. Allah has created the suns, moons, stars, and earth, and والبحار, and بحار means nahars.
Ocean. Yeah, oceans, yes. وخلق كل شيء.
وخلق كل شيء. They created everything. وخلق الإنسان من طين. They created the humans.
Yep. From dust.
ثم قام وكتب هذا الدرس على سبورة.
Correct. Then he stood Qama
Then
means
he
Qama yaqumu means to stand. Then he stood.
and he stood. This is the new lesson with
Wakataba, and he wrote. Wakataba,
and
and he wrote
Wakataba he wrote and the lesson in the blackboard.
on the blackboard. Excellent. Thank you. Sister Gulshan, Bismillah.
The next one.
Yes, Rafa'a Muhammadun.
Okay. Rafa'a Muhammadun yadahu waqal.
Rafa'a Muhammadun yadahu.
Yadahu waqal.
Translate Muhammad raised.
Then
Rafa'a means raised, to put your hand up. Muhammad put his hand up and he said,
Ma ma'ana atini. Ma ma'ana means I didn't understood.
Yeah, Mamana, what is the meaning of the word atin?
Teen, yeah. Atin. Teen means mud.
Mhm.
Ya ustado. What is the meaning of mud ya ustado? Teen ya ustado. Kala al-mudarrisu. Atinu ma'anahu at-turabul muktalitu bilmai. Teen means, the teacher said, teen means turab. Turab, that means, what do we say? Mitti, mud.
Yeah, the mud mixed with water.
Mixed with the water, with the ma. Rafa Faisalun yadahu. Rafa, then
Muhammad Faisal raised his hand.
then Muhammad raised his hand. Faqala lahul mudarrisu. And he asked
The teacher said to him.
The teacher said to Kala lahu mudarrisu. Yeah, okay. Teacher said to him, Indaka sualun ya Faisalu. Indaka, what is there in this question? O Faisal. Is it correct?
Yep.
Okay. Kala Faisalun. Then Faisal said, Naam, yes. In the sualun, in this question, al-biharo jama al-bahari. Al-biharo. Biharo means ocean.
Oceans, yeah.
Ocean jamaun bahari. Ocean is mixed with bahar. Bahar means
Al-Biharo is the plural of
bahar. The bahar. Biharu is the plural of bahar. Okay. Kala mudarrisu. Teacher said, Naam huwa kazalika. He said, yes. That is
like that.
That is that. Yes. Kamal Hasanu Wakala Ma Jam'o As-Samai.
Then Hassan stood up and
Hassan stood up and said, Ma Jam'o As-Samai. No, Jama, the Sama means the heaven.
Yeah, what is the plural? Yeah, what is the plural of Sama?
What is the plural of heaven? Ya Ustadu. Ustadu said, Kal al-Mudarrisu said, Jama'uha Samawatun. The plural of Sama is Samawatun.
Excellent.
Okay. Can I continue?
That's enough. Because there's too much. It's a long lesson.
Okay.
So we'll continue next week as well. Jazakallah, inshallah.
Thank you.
If you could record this lesson, everyone, and send me a recording across, Sister Parveena Zai, Sister Gulshan, and Sister Razia, read the lesson and translate and send a recording. I want to listen to everyone because this is quite a challenging lesson itself. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Imanillah. Khuda Hafiz.
Thank you.
Khuda Hafiz.